Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Social Studies class with Ms. Shazia Safdar. Dear children, as you know, we are studying lesson number 11, Muslim rule in the subcontinent. Our today's topic is the important features of the Mughal Empire. By studying this topic, students will be able to describe the important features of the Mughal Empire. So let's start our lesson. The first feature is good system of administration. India saw Babur, his sons, grandsons, and great-grandsons bring prosperity, progress, good governance, excellent administration, and unity to India's many states. A huge empire. The Mughal kings did much for the subcontinent. They united many small states into a huge empire. More of the subcontinent came under one rule under the Mughals than under any other dynasty. Kindness to their people. The earlier Mughal rulers never forgot the people whom they kept happy by appointing them into the government. They stopped jizya, the tax on non-Muslims, and took care of their people's needs. Tolerant of all the cultures. The Mughals succeeded because they were tolerant of the culture and traditions of their subjects and fair in their dealings. That's why they could rule over more than 300 years in the subcontinent. Rich in art and culture. The Mughal Empire was world famous for its wealth and culture. During their reign, the Mughals introduced a marvelous culture to the region. Many great buildings were constructed and gardens were laid. Dear children, let's see its important points. Ibrahim Lodhi was the last ruler in the Lodhi dynasty. Babur was a better general, and the large army of Ibrahim Lodhi was defeated at Panipat in 1526 CE. The Mughals were the descendants of the Mongols, Genghis Khan and Timur, but instead of destroying, the Mughals built the subcontinent. Babur was the founder of the Mughal Empire in India. The Mughal era is generally known to be one of the most glorious in the history of the subcontinent. Mughals were the excellent administrator. They united many small states into a huge empire. The Mughal rulers never forgot the people. They took care of their people's needs. The Mughals were tolerant of the culture and traditions of their subjects. They were fair in their dealings. That's why they could rule over more than 300 years in the subcontinent. The Mughal Empire was world famous for its wealth and culture. The Mughals introduced a marvelous culture to the region. Many great buildings were constructed and gardens were laid. Dear children, it's now question and answers time. Question number 7. Make a list of the dynasties that ruled the subcontinent from 1290 to 1526 in correct historical order. The answer is the first dynasty, which ruled from 1290 to 1320, was Khiljis. The next dynasty was Tughlaqs. They ruled from 1321 to 1398. After Tughlaqs, Sayyid's dynasty came. They ruled from 1414 till 1451. The next dynasty was Lodhis, and they ruled from 1451 to 1526. And next were the Mughals. They ruled from 1526 to 1852. Question number 8. Match the following. Dear children, you will have to match the statements of column A with the statements of column B. Number 1. In 712. Number 2. Babur defeated. Number 3. In 1192. 4. Balban's rule. 5. 1658 to 1707. 6. 1556 to 1605. And in column B, A. Ibrahim Lodi in 1526. B. Muhammad bin Qasim defeated Raja Tahir. C. 1246 till 1287. D. Muhammad Ghori conquered India. E. Akbar's rule. F. Aurangzeb's rule. So, let's match. Number 1. In 712. Yes, dear children, think. It's very easy. In 712. Yes, your answer is correct. In 712, number 1 will be matched with B. Muhammad bin Qasim defeated Raja Tahir. Number 2, Babur defeated. Yes, it will be matched with A. Babur defeated Ibrahim Lodi in 1526. The third is in 1192, so it will be matched with D. In 1192, Muhammad Ghori conquered India. Number 4, Balban's rule. So where will it be matched? Yes, it will be matched with C. 1246 till 87. So Balban's rule was from 1246 till 1287. Number 5, 1658 till 1707. Yes, it will be matched with F. Aurangzeb's rule. So 1658 till 1707 was Aurangzeb's rule. And now the last one is 1556 to 1605. Yes, you are correct, children. It will be matched with E. Akbar's rule. So from 1556 till 1605, there was Akbar's rule. Thank you, children, for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.